A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Beta, do you know the meaning of pedestal? It is a stand on which the statue is kept. आपने देखे हैं, never ever statue is kept on the ground. It is always on some platform, some stand.
Yes, ma'am.
That stand is pedestal. Even in our school garden, you must have observed. There is a statue kept there, and on that statue, they have, on that pedestal, they have a statue. So it's something like this. This is your stand, and some statue is there, whatever is there. So this is known as pedestal. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. What do they want to say is that, suppose you have a pedestal here. Suppose this is pedestal, right? Then on this pedestal, there stands a statue. On this pedestal stands a statue. And what is the height of this statue? 1.6 meter. All right. It is on the ground, so making an angle of 90 degree. It is on the ground, so making an angle of 90 degree. Now they are given from the point on the ground. Let this A be a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Let us name it P. Q. The angle of, please mute yourself. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Top of the statue is P. Is given to be 60 degree. Is given to be 60 degree. Right. And from the same point that is A, the angle of elevation of the top of this pedestal is what degree?
45 degree.
45 degree.
So this angle is 45 degree. Yes, beta. We have to find the height of pedestal. Height of pedestal means QB. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Are you clear with the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to do is we are going to consider two right triangles. One triangles will be Q, B, A, and another right triangle will be P, B, A. P, B, A. Now I will give you one hint here. As we are going to deal with triangles with two different angles. If one of the angles is 45 degree, then we shall first consider that triangle. You know the reason. What is tan 45?
1.
So with the help of tan 45, we will get two things done. So it will be advisable that in a triangle, if you have two angles and one of the angles is 45 degree, so you focus on that triangle first. Right. For example, in this triangle, what we are going to do? In triangle, in right triangle BQA, what do we have? BQ upon AB is equal to tan 45 degree. Yes, beta? Which means BQ upon AB is equal to 1 because tan 45 degrees is 1. And this gives me BQ is equal to AB. So one relation we have got, which is going to help us in the next part. Now next, in which triangle we are supposed to take things?
PBA.
PAB.
In right triangle PAB. What do we have? PB upon AB is equal to tan 60 degree. Right. Now we have to use our common sense. We have to use our common sense. Now what is that common sense? You may see. We are focusing on finding BQ. Our focus is to find BQ. So PB, can I break it up as PQ plus QB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So PB के place पे I will be writing 1.6 plus BQ. Are you with me, children?
Yes,
1.6
ma'am.
plus BQ. Also, in place of AB, I can write BQ
Yes, ma'am.
using 1. And what is tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. Now cross multiply. It will be BQ root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus BQ. Bring BQ on one side. So BQ root 3 minus 1 minus BQ is equal to 1.6, children. Are you getting the steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have cross
Yes, ma'am.
multiplied and then I brought BQ this side. Now from these two, I will be taking BQ common. So I shall have root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the next step, it will be BQ is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. And since it is root 3 minus 1 in the denominator, I now need to rationalize it. When we rationalize, it will be multiplied and divided by
Root 3 plus 1.
root 3 plus 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the denominator, what will happen? A minus B,
minus
A
square.
plus B. What does it mean?
A
A
square
square
minus
minus B square.
A square minus B square. What is the square of root 3?
3.
3.
3.
Square of 1?
1.
1.
So 3 minus 1
2.
will be?
2.
2.
0.8.
So you will have 1.6 into, और ये तो हो गया upon में 2. Root 3 का value we will put 1.73. 1.73 plus 1. है ना? So this gives me 1.6 divided by 2.
0.8.
0.8 into 2.73. That will be the answer. That will be the height of pedestal. Are you clear? Children, are you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.